Hi, this is Herb with Think Local Pro Site Builder, and today we're going to go over how to manipulate rows. So let's go to Pro Site Builder. Right now I am using the Clean Slate theme, number 3, and we're going to go ahead and change out this nice large hero header row. Let's go to the row settings right here, click on the wrench icon. Our row is full width, content is fixed width, meaning that this heading and text stay within a defined area, and I usually have that preset to 1100 pixels. And so what we want to do today is go ahead and change out the photograph. We'll click on select photo, and let's find a photo in the media library here that will work. As you can tell, I'm not a professional videographer, so please bear with me. I don't know. We'll go with this one. Why not? So as you can see, it automatically adds the photo. If you're happy with that, there's other different types of options that you have. You can either scale to fill or scale to fit. Fit would basically just take the photo at its original size and fit it in place. Of course, we don't want to do that. We want to broadcast it across the entire page. So just keep it on fill. Scroll or fixed, you can certainly put in a fixed position. And what that's going to do is create a parallax slide effect, as you can see. So that's kind of cool in a way. So why don't we just keep it on that? Background color we don't necessarily need to worry about, so we'll leave that. But if we want to do an overlay, so say this white text here is more relevant, we can do an overlay color. And you have different options and overlays. We'll keep it on full for now, but as you can see, you could explore all the different types of options you have, including gradients. Or how about this? Why don't we just do gradient so we kill two birds with one stone? So we'll select for gradient. Now you choose your colors that you want to overlay. I have a bunch of preset colors here that I like to use. So our first color is our dominant color. Our next overlay color we can choose. We can do like a nice light gray here maybe. And I think we're going to go from the top left to the bottom right. And as you can see, not too much of a difference here yet. Sometimes with Pro Site Builder, you'll have to click Save to see the changes with the row gradients. So go ahead and click Save for now, and we'll see what we get here. And a lot of times you may even need to it looks like we need to do it a little bit more, so let's go ahead back into this row and edit it. For the overlay. And the greater the percentage here, the darker the background color. And as you can see, we do have a bit of an overlay. We have a darker blue to the top left, and it goes down to a lighter gray on the bottom right. So as you can see, if you like this type of look, you can go ahead and click Done, and go ahead and publish the changes. So now, as you can see, that the menu is covered up right now on this page, and I have that as the row is set to a negative 65 pixels in height, meaning that there is an actual menu here, and if you wanted to see this menu at the top of the page, what we can do is simply go back into Pro Site Builder again. Come down to our row editing, and come over here to advanced. Here you'll see the margins. I've played with them. So right now I have it at negative 95. If we set that to 0, all of a sudden that row stops overlaying our header on the top, and you have your logo and your site links present across the entire site. And that's just a little trick that I use to basically create a full page hero layout where you have this big beautiful photo. Padding's pretty easy. If you want to go ahead and manipulate the location of this text here, you can decrease the amount of top padding. We can put that down to 50, and as you can see, it draws it up higher. So that's pretty simple. Click Save. Next, if you want to add more columns to the row to add more items, just simply go to Add Content, Row Layout. You can add 2 new columns to the row. So now you have 2 columns where you can add a photo. Go ahead and select your photo from the media library here. And there'll be graphics that you, of course, upload. And these are just all examples. As you can see, the photo just uploaded. And that's just the basic tutorial. The sky is the limit, essentially, with editing here, with positioning, editing items, as well as creating new row layouts within or new column layouts, I should say, within a row. So I hope this helps and it gets you started. Just go ahead and explore all the different options there are with Pro Site Builder. Thanks for watching.